How to use ChatGPT project folder feature 2026. To use this feature, first of all, you have to open the ChatGPT application itself. From there, simply tap on this two-dotted menu icon located on the top left of your screen, and you should be able to access this project option, which you can find it on the top. And simply tap on this plus icon if you want to initiate a new project. You can also select any of these topics if you want to, and from here you can also find this more options where you can choose between your project only or default. You can set the memories as well for your ChatGPT, and then type in your topic over here. Once you do so, tap on this create project option and your project will be created shortly. Now, you can also use this feature with your friends, or you can use this same project with your friends by simply tapping on this share icon and tap on this email option and then type in their email. Once you do so, all you have to do is simply tap on this share link option, and all they have to do is your recipient have to click on that link and accept the invitation, and you both can use this project collaboratively. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.